Hey friends, Jessica here from jessicaschalkcouture.com. I am creating a fun pillow for my seashore camper. I'm so excited. So I actually purchased this pillowcase not from Chalk Couture, and I am using the drawing a blank anchor transfer, and I am using the Midnight Couture Ink, which is permanent once it is heat set. I did also use our 17 by 17 ink mat, which currently isn't in stock, but they are coming back in stock. If you just comment below, I will happily message you when it does become available again. I'm utilizing a small squeegee here to get all the ink all over this pillowcase on the anchor transfer itself. And then I am just putting all the excess back into the container and making sure I have all of the ink off of my fingers before I touch that canvas pillow to remove the anchor. So all I'm going to do is go ahead and dry the anchor to make sure that it is completely dry. I did realize that I had forgot that I had the ink mat still in there, so that's what you just saw me doing, was pulling it out. But before you can go ahead and heat set this, you have to make sure that the ink is completely dry. And then once it is completely dry, all you're going to utilize is a piece of parchment paper in between your design and your iron. Now you can use an iron, and if you do, you want to put it on a medium setting, and you're going to iron for 4 minutes on the side that you have the ink on, and then you're going to flip it inside out. Also, go ahead, put that parchment paper again there, and iron on the other side. And you want to make sure that you're moving the iron around. You're not going to just leave it sitting still exactly where it is. So it does take a little bit to make all of this ink dry, because I did use a lot of ink. I wanted to make sure it was nice and dark on my pillow. And it isn't a canvas. It was a different type of fabric. I'm really not entirely sure what it was. But I just knew that that transfer would look awesome on that one. And like I said, especially because it is going to be for our little seashore camper. So you guys should also have seen that if this is just not the transfer that may be what you are looking for summer, we just launched last week our awesome celebrations release. There are so many summer transfers. There's summer outdoors, Father's Day, graduation, 4th of July, summer holidays, beachy themes. It's just, it's so amazing. I'm so excited about it. And guys, we also got a vintage camper. I can't wait till I get home from vacation to go ahead and play with it. Oh my goodness. So like I said, all I did was go ahead. I actually was using the heat press, and it's only 30 seconds on each side. So it went super, super quick for me. But that's all she wrote, guys. Please stay tuned to see a picture at the end of this project, and I do hope you love it. You can get it right in my online store.